Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1990 Subaru Sambar van. This Sambar has a water-cooled Subaru 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes with 79,421 miles. The speedometer is not working properly. It does come with 2 doors in the front, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. The seats do stow away to create more room. Alright, as y'all can see, it is 127,816 kilometers. The miles again is 79,421. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.